Hi students, welcome back. So now in the video 2, as I mentioned, let's begin with your topic of adjectives. So yes, now what are adjectives? Words that describe people or things in terms of their quality, quantity, number or any other specification. It is known as adjectives. So to simply understand students, adjectives वो word होते हैं जो nouns को describe करते हैं. Okay, let's look at the example. A beautiful flower. Now flower is a noun. Okay, noun को हम कैसे describe कर रहे हैं? By saying it is beautiful. Similarly, a cute girl. How is the girl? What is the quality of the girl? Cute लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. A red dress. A tall man. Okay, now I will not go much into detail about your adjectives because I believe you have done this in previous class and you understand कि adjectives होते क्या हैं. Okay, so let's proceed further with your next part of adjectives. This is what we will do in detail, that is kinds of adjectives. Now the first kind of adjective, students, is yes, the adjective of quality, or it is also called as descriptive adjective. Okay, these adjectives express about the colors, shape, size, condition, material and quality. Okay, so these are the different qualities which are covered in adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. For example, a red glow. So yes, a red gown, a round table. How is the table? So see, look at the size. The table is in shape. What is the shape of the table? It is round in color. Size, a thin boy. Okay. Condition, a sick lady. So lady कैसी है? वो बीमार है. Material में आ जाएगा a woolen cap. किस material की cap बनी हुई है? Woolen. A soft teddy. Okay. So this is your first type of adjective, that is adjective of quality. Going to the second type of adjective, that is called adjective of quantity. They are also called as qualifiers. Okay, these adjectives indicate about the amount or the number of things or person. So these can be countable or uncountable nouns. So basically students, adjective of quantity हमें ये बताते हैं कि yes वो चीज़ कितनी है, कम है या ज़्यादा है. Okay, and countable and uncountable nouns दोनों उसमें आ जाते हैं. Countable, if you remember, you've done in your previous class, means जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं 1 2 3 4 5. Uncountable means we cannot count them in numbers, but yes उनकी quantity हमें पता होती है, few, enough. ठीक है. So for example, many birds, great knowledge, enough food, few birds. Okay, so this is not sure, we don't know the exact quantity, but yes we can say something about the quantity in this. Now the third type है, that is opposite to this. उसमें हम exact बता सकते हैं because the name is numeral adjective. That is the third type. Numeral adjective में these adjectives describe the number or the order of a noun as follows. Okay, yes, as you can see in this page. So in this page we have definite numeral which we are sure. Definite means हमें पक्का पता है, like 1 boy, 20 birds, second chair. Indefinite numerals भी होते हैं. These adjectives do not tell us the exact number. For example, few girls, several students, some people. Okay, इसी category में आता है distributive numeral. These adjectives divide the nouns from a group. For example, each boy in the class. अब यहाँ पे group क्या है? Class is a whole group. और इसमें हम क्या हो रहा है, ये एडजेक्टिव जो है each is an adjective जो डिवाइड कर रहा है, पूरे क्लास में से बॉय को डिवाइड कर रहा है. ओके, सो each boy in the class. Similarly, every person in the hall. Hall is a big group. हॉल में से हमें every person का पता चल रहा है. So each person या every person. Either Ram or Neha in the class. So या राम या नेहा. So such adjectives are called distributive numerals. Okay, now these A, B, C were under the same topic, that under the same type that we have done, that is numeral adjective. Okay, Now type 4, demonstrative adjective. These are very easy students. Now these simply point out to the adjective. ठीक है, इसमें point out करते हैं वो directly adjective को. For example, this, that, these and those. So this and that we use for near. Singular के लिए this हो जाएगा, this is the table. Plural के लिए these are the tables. Far के लिए that is a table. And plural के लिए those are the tables. Okay, then coming on to interrogative adjective. Again, as the word says, interrogative. Now whenever you listen to the word interrogative, the first thing that will come to your mind is question mark. Yes, so you're right. So these adjectives ask questions to the nouns. For example, which game do you like? ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे noun क्या है? Game. Okay, so the adjective is asking the question to the game. Which game? Okay, who is Mohan's best friend? अब यहाँ पे friend is a noun, उसको describe कौन कर रहा है? Best. अब मोहन का best friend कौन है? Where is your house located? Whose book is it? So book is a noun, and adjective whose is letting us know कि book किसकी है. Why is the car parked here? Okay, so why. Now coming on to the last type. So there are basically 6 type of adjectives. So last type is these adjectives express about the belonging of the noun. For example, my book, your pen, her class, his friend. इसमें स्टूडेंट्स हमें ये पता चलता है कि वो चीज़ किसकी है. जैसे माई बुक, मेरी किताब, यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है ना हमें किसकी बुक है. योर पेन, तुम्हारा पेन. ओके, so this is with the topic of your adjectives. So I have just tried to cover it up in a very short way because I feel that you have done all this. Now the notes which I have just explained, students, this has to be written on your grammar copies. I repeat, ये जो मैंने अभी आपको नोट्स एक्सप्लेन किए हैं, यही नोट्स आपने एज इट इज़ कॉपी करने हैं अपनी ग्रामर कॉपी पे. यू विल रिसीव द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज that yes, on the basis of the understanding, you will complete all these worksheets in your BBC. Okay, in case अगर आपके पास BBC नहीं है, so don't worry, I'll be sending you the pictures. आप उन पिक्चर्स की हेल्प लेके आपको सारे अपना वो वर्क जो है वो ग्रामर कॉपीज़ पे कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर एडजेक्टिव्स, that is the degree of adjectives. This is again very important part, students. Now there are 3 degree of adjectives. First degree is called the positive degree. इसमें comparison नहीं होती है. Okay, you simply write, for example, she is a beautiful girl. तो हम सिर्फ यहाँ पे she की बात कर रहे हैं, या रीमा is a beautiful girl तो हम रीमा की बात कर रहे हैं. Second type is comparative degree. इसमें हम compare करते हैं between 2. Okay, as you can see, I have drawn an easy line. So यहाँ पे we have 2 lines. Yes. So which line is longer? So certainly the line B is longer than line A. So we are comparing between 2. Now third type is superlative degree. Superlative degree में हम compare करते हैं more than 2. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 lines हैं, you can see. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 3 lines हैं. So which of the line is longest one? Of course that is the line number 3. Okay, so these are with your degree, adjective degree. Okay, I have explained it to you. Now the explanation I have given here again, I'll just read it out. So positive degree, there is no comparison of noun. Example, Rahul is a good boy, maths is a difficult subject. Comparative degree में, here we compare between 2 things or a person. For example, Rahul is better than Mohan. See, यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया था 2 things और 2 person. यहाँ पे 2 person है, राहुल भी है, मोहन भी है, हम दोनों में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं. सिमिलरली इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, मैथ्स एंड सोशल स्टडीज़ को हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. मैथ्स इज़ मोर डिफिकल्ट दैन सोशल स्टडीज़. ओके, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट, दैट इज़ in comparative degree we use ER after the adjective. You can see we have used better ER, or we use more before the adjective, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया है more difficult. Okay, कमिंग ऑन टू द लास्ट पार्ट, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. इसमें अगेन हम यूज़ करते हैं यस अगेन the comparison is between more than two things or two persons. Rahul is the best in the class. अब राहुल की comparison किसके साथ हो रही है? क्लास के साथ, ठीक है, ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ और in among the group. Maths is the most difficult of all subjects. अब यहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं est before the adjective, before the adjective, after the adjective, or else we use that is the most we write before the adjective. Okay students, I'll just correct it over here. This is after and this is before. Okay, yes. So here students, we finish off the last part of your adjectives, that is again with the degree of adjectives. So these are again the BBC worksheets that you need to solve in your BBC itself. Okay students, so this is your BBC of your 7th class. Okay, I hope you all have it. Okay students, so this is your BBC worksheet. I'm showing you the worksheets that you have to do. Okay, now this is your BBC worksheet, that is 37. Now what I have done it, I have solved the first 2 or 3 examples for your convenience. Okay, that you have to solve in your BBC, so it will be easy for you to understand the way it is done. This is the second worksheet, that is worksheet 38. Again I have solved a few examples for you. Okay, and then going over to your BBC worksheet 39. Again in the worksheet 39, students, don't solve exercise A. I have marked it cross, you can see. Rest you have to do. Okay, and then moving on to your worksheet 40. Again I have solved the exercise, few exercises, as you can see. Okay students, so this is worksheet 41, and then again this worksheet. Okay, so these are the worksheets that you will be doing solving in your BBC. Okay, and again I'm repeating, in case अगर आपके पास BBC available नहीं है, so don't worry, आप अपने answers जो हैं सिर्फ अपनी grammar copies पे लिख लेना. Okay, so yes, that is end of the session today students with your video 2. So we'll see you again in the new session with a new interesting topic. Okay, so till then all of you stay home and be safe, all of you.